I don't understand. Right in the face. Oh, we're face to face with a giant. Let me get the handle on. I don't even know if these pliers really good for it. Even oh, maybe if I go from the oh. We got him, y'all. Boy, I thought I broke my pole. Be forgetting it's a 2-piece. No jumping right now, buddy. We did that. Whoa! That 2-piece, ugly stick, put in work with the, whatever this is. I don't know right now. Let me get this other one in the water. As y'all can see, swim out just fine. This one here, whoo! Oh my God, I'm glad I bought these. First time having to use them. And this boy put in work too.